Your owner's manual is your car's Bible, carefully assembled by the engineers who designed and built your car. And the most important section in that manual is the maintenance schedule. The maintenance schedules are generally classified based on how you use your vehicle, normal use or severe use. And the difference between the two can often be significant. For example, on the Scion behind me, under normal use, the oil should be changed every 10,000 miles. Under severe use, however, the oil needs to be changed every 5,000 miles. That's almost twice as often. Which category does your vehicle use fit into? Consider these few questions before you answer that. Do you use your car primarily for short trips to the grocery store or school or work? Do you normally drive in heavy bumper-to-bumper traffic? Do you drive on roads that are salty, muddy, or dusty, or roads with sandy or gravel-covered surfaces? Do you regularly tow a trailer or have a camper affixed to a pickup truck or carry items on top of your vehicle in a rooftop carrier? These are just a few of the conditions that are harder on your vehicle than you may have thought. And all our conditions require a little extra maintenance. So be honest with yourself and your driving habits. Are you a normal use or a severe use kind of driver? And follow the maintenance schedule accordingly. It may mean a few extra trips to the shop, but it will lower your overall cost of ownership and help you ensure that you get the most out of your automobile.